Are you ready to transform your Monday blues into a creative design adventure? Let's dive into a weekly dose of interior design inspiration that will spark your imagination and get those renovation juices flowing. From Bangkok to Tasmania, we've got a global tour of stunning interiors that will leave you craving more. But here's where it gets controversial. Should we start with a cozy cafe in Bangkok, the vibrant Rio Cafe, or perhaps the sleek Scusa restaurant in Lisbon? Both offer unique design aesthetics that could inspire your next project. And this is the part most people miss. Sometimes it's the intimate spaces, like a private house in Ibiza or a residence in Tasmania, that truly showcase innovative interior design. Take, for instance, the Jules coffee shop in Stuttgart. With its modern twist on a classic coffee house, Jules proves that even the most familiar spaces can be transformed into something extraordinary. So, which interior space speaks to your design soul? And what unique elements would you incorporate into your own renovation project? We'd love to hear your thoughts and see your creative visions in the comments below. Follow us on Instagram for more weekly doses of interior design inspiration to keep your creative fires burning bright.